Hello, thank you very much for watching today's uh, Japanese language class. こんばんは。How are you? お元気ですか? Okay, today we will learn about na words, and then also magical five, one of the magical five question words. なぜ why. Okay, so let me check if I am audible. Okay, great, thank you. So let's review what we did last time. Okay. So here you go. Okay, so last time we did T lines, towers. Okay, た、ち、つ、て、と。た、ち、つ、て、と. Right? Okay, so if you see the left side of ta lines, T lines, you can see N lines. So these are the words, letters we will learn today. So na, N and A, na. N and I, ni. N and U, nu. N and E, ne. N and O, no. Okay, are you following me? Okay, again, let's pronounce it together. Okay, na, ni, nu, ne, no. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Okay, now you know about this, the structure of the Japanese letters. So I think it's already pretty easy for you. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Okay, so let's start from a, just to remember. Okay, a, i, u, e, o, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so, ta, chi, tsu, te, to. And new words, na, ni, nu, ne, no. Is it fine? Okay, let's check up if we have some questions right now. Okay, seems like no question yet. Let me wait a little bit more. Okay, so we already have about 5 times 5, 25 letters. So we can create a lot of words. But first, let's use na, ni, nu, ne, no to create words. Okay, maybe we can start with the first words. Nani, nani, nani. Okay, Let me write down as usual. Nani. Okay. Maybe I should make it a little bit bigger, right? Nani. So we pronounce it as nani, and this means what? What? So actually, this is what we will do. We will learn next time. Nani. This is one of the the 5W word. So, what? Nani. 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 Okay. And also with other words, let me see. Neko. Neko. Okay. We used this last time, right? Ne. Ko. Neko. Neko. Okay. Neko. And this means cat. Cat. Neko. Okay. Okay. Great. And for other words, let's say no naka. Naka. Inside. Naka. 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 Inside. Inside the house. 家の中. Do you remember 家? 家 is house. The first day we learned this, right? So 家の中. No itself is means of. So inside of house. 家の中. 家の中. So naka means inside. Okay? Great. And also ni itself is two. Okay. So ni is okay. Ni is two. Okay. And our other words. We have a lot, but what would be very useful? No. No. Nuno. Nuno. Nuno means cloth. like not clothes but like fabric. Clothes, fabric, 布。I'm wondering if I have enough space for fabric. 布。Okay. Okay. Fabric. Got it. Thank you. And do you see it right now? I was maybe blocking too. So if you let's pronounce it together. Nani, nani, neko, neko, naka, naka, ni, ni, and nuno, nuno. Okay, you got it? Okay, let's see if you have any questions so far. Okay, not really. Okay, let's move on then. So we get already words, ka words, sa words, ta words, and not words. So we are halfway there. We are halfway there. Half more. Let's keep it up. Yeah. Okay. So today's half last topic is なぜ なぜ why. Okay. Yeah, I got a good chat right now. One of my students is telling me that nana. So let's go back to na. And you can just repeat it. Nana. Nana is 7. Actually, you can make a lot of numbers already. 1, 1, and 2, what we learned today, 2, and 3, actually, we will learn later, but 3, it's simple, 3, and 4, 4, and 5, actually, we will learn it later, but it basically 5, it's a little like with 5, it's a little like accent, has a little more accent, so 5, and we don't have 6 yet, but 7, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, a little 5, 7 already. So we will make it a little bit more, and then you can get all the numbers too. Okay. Yeah, let's move on to なぜ. Okay, so なぜ means why, right? なぜ means why. So let's practice with some sentences. So なぜ日本語を today's sentence is this. なぜ日本語を勉強しますか。なぜ日本語を勉強しますか means why do you study English? Japanese. Okay? So let's color it. なぜ Oh, I need to make it a little bit more highlight. なぜ Why? 日本語 Japanese. 日本語は is Japanese. Okay? 勉強 means study. しますか。Okay, there are some words which doesn't match to English sentences, but let me explain it. Okay? So, なぜ日本語を勉強しますか？なぜ日本語を勉強しますか？なぜ日本語を勉強しますか？ Why do you study Japanese? So let's make your answers today, and also let's get used to this sentence なぜ. And how many of you have attended to my last class? Maybe some of you have attended, right? Okay, so by this lesson, we have been putting the question word to the very last of the sentence. Like we did, トイレはどこですか? In this case, どこ is very last of the sentence. どこ was where, right? And also who. 誰? あなたの先生は誰ですか? Who is your teacher? 誰ですか? was really last of the sentence. But today, you realize that maybe なぜ comes from the top of the sentence. Actually, you can write it down as 日本語をなぜ勉強しますか? 日本語をなぜ勉強しますか? You can just switch it. Actually, but in the last time, we did some intonation, emphasize structure. So when it said like トイレはどこですか? Where is the bathroom? But you want to ask トイレはどこですか? And you wanted to ask どこ a little bit more like stronger, and you put the accent on どこ. So in this case, なぜ is very strong word to ask you the reason. Not yes, no question, and not just like, giving the directions, but this is very strong question. So mainly we put it very first of the sentence and make it emphasize so that the people will, the listener will aware that, oh, this is a question for me to ask the reason, and I need to think about that. So to make the other person prepare for the reason, for the answer, we need to put it very first. なぜ日本語を勉強しますか？なぜ日本語を勉強しますか？ Okay, and then maybe you realize that there is no you. There is no you here, あなた or anyone. So this is very tricky part about Japanese. なぜ日本語を勉強しますか? Actually, when you want to clarify the person who are asking this question, you can just put the name of the person, or you can just put another on the very first. あなたはなぜ日本語を勉強しますか？何々さんはなぜ日本語を勉強しますか？ともみさんはなぜ日本語を勉強しますか？ Actually, you can put the person's name too. Okay. And then this is the sentence maybe you are familiar to. I'm familiar with. Okay. あなたはなぜ日本語を勉強しますか? But actually, in your daily life, most likely the person who want to ask some questions will be in front of you. So you are just in face to face, just one to one. You can just ask, なぜ日本語を勉強しますか? Without telling you. If you are in a group and you want to ask the questions each by each, and then you can put the name of the person. For example, like Kartik-san, or like Kumar-san, like Alexandra-san, Mike-san. あなたはなぜ日本語を勉強しますか? You can use that too. So, なぜ日本語を勉強しますか? なぜ日本語を勉強しますか? Okay. Got it. Great. So let's make some questions. Answers for this. あなたはなぜ日本語を勉強しますか? あなたはなぜ日本語を勉強しますか? So, with why, なぜ, I want you to learn から. It means because. Because, when you are asked why, you always need to answer because. Because, the one is asking you the reason. So let's use から, because, and then make your answer. から. Okay? から. There are some ways to answer for why questions. Like maybe some of you know ので, or some of you maybe know それは 何々です, just the whole sentence. But maybe like kara is the very simple and basic answer way. So let's learn this today. Okay, kara. So how do you answer if you are asked なぜ日本語を勉強しますか? I will wait for your chat. なぜあなたは日本語を勉強しますか? なぜ日本語を勉強しますか? なぜ日本語を勉強しますか? Okay. Maybe for work, maybe for traveling in Japan, maybe for make some friends in Japan, or maybe to watch anime. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so your wife is Japanese. That's very sweet. Okay. Okay, in this case, you Artu-san already used kara for the reasons, but to make it little bit more native, let's work it on. Okay, so do I still have space over here? Okay. So if you want to say 僕の妻は日本人ですから in this case, actually, kara doesn't come to the very last of the sentence when native speakers talk to. Okay? So if you want to use kara, it's gonna be 僕の妻 then this is は Okay, this is a little bit more clear.僕の妻は日本人だからです or maybe you can use this God too. 僕の妻が日本人だからです So make it more stronger and make it as a very specific reason. は is not error, but you can use it が a little bit more stronger. 僕の妻が日本人だからです。僕の妻が日本人だからです。Okay? And actually, in this case, the reason your wife being Japanese is not like very reason for studying Japanese, right? Your wife is Japanese, and because you want to talk to her, or maybe you want to communicate with her, or her, and then you want to you learn Japanese, right? So this is actually not the very specific reason, but if you want to tell this, 僕の妻が日本人だからです. It would be nice. let me check. の妻が日本人だからです。Okay, and this means because my wife is Japanese. So this is maybe a new word for you. 妻 is wife. Okay. 日本人。日本人。Japanese. So, maybe you realize that when we talk about language, Japanese, we say 日本語. When we talk about nationality or person, we call it 日本人. Jin means person. Jin represents human. Okay. だ 日本人だ is Japanese and very emphasized. And the kara is because this. Make it a little more polite. 僕の妻が日本人だからです。Okay. And then next one. 私は日本語漫画を愛してます。あ、素晴らしい。You like Japanese anime and comic. Okay, and then in this case, you can write it down as 私 Okay. しはIn this case, only you are answering about your reason for learning Japanese. So maybe you don't have to put 私は So maybe you can just start from 漫画やアニメが好きだ Okay, maybe I need to follow it. 日本の漫画を愛してます。Okay. 日本の漫画を愛しているからです。日本の漫画を愛しているからです。Because I love Japanese manga. Manga is comic book. 日本の漫画を愛しているからです。So you already realize 日本 Japan Japanese よいしょ Okay. And here から Okay. 愛している is love Okay. But 愛してる is a little too much sometimes. Like you dedicate to like collecting all the mangas, or you watch every single mangas of this or like when you really love it, you can use 愛してる. But if you just like it very much, casually, and you can use 大好き instead. And in that case, 日本のが大好きだからです。You can write it down this one too. Okay? The same meaning. 日本の漫画を愛しているからです。Or, a little bit more lightly, 日本の漫画が大好きだからです。Okay? 大好き。Actually, this 大好き is very light and you can use it frequently. Like, before we talked about noodles of Japanese noodles like udon, ramen, soba. So you can tell me 私はうどんが大好きです。私はラーメンが大好きです。We practice about this, right? So you can just use it here too. 日本の漫画が大好きだからです。So just because you need to put because, it's gonna be 大好きだからです。But if you just want to say I love Japanese manga, you can say 日本の漫画が大好きです。Okay? Okay, and 好き and 大好き, what is the difference? So 好き is just like. 大好き is like it very much. Little bit more like close to love, but not very deeply. And actually 大 is when we start to learn Chinese letters, maybe you will realize, but when we write this down in kanji, Chinese letter, it's gonna be like this, 大好き, and then this is 好き. And 大 means big, bigger, a lot. So you can just emphasize 好き like a little bit more stronger. 大好き. Actually, you can use it opposite too. When you dislike it, you can use 嫌い. 嫌い. Opposite of 好き is 嫌い. Or you can just put 大 before 嫌い, 大嫌い, and it means you hate it. So just putting 大 can make the word a little bit more bigger, a little bit more emphasized. Does it make sense? Okay, great. So we already passed 30 minutes and time flies. But if you don't have any questions, we will just review today's class and then we will end this class. Okay? Okay, let's go review today's class. Remember, today we talked about N lines, N words. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Okay? And then we talked about some words from using na words like nani, neko, cat, neko, naka, inside, naka, and ni, to, and nuno, fabric, nuno. Okay, and then we learned about naze words. And the sentence, あなたはなぜ日本語を勉強しますか？あなたはなぜ日本語を勉強しますか？ Why do you study Japanese? And for the answers, 僕の妻が日本人だからです。僕の妻が日本人だからです。Okay? And also 日本の漫画を愛しているからです。日本の漫画を愛しているからです。Or maybe you can just say lightly, casually, 日本の漫画が大好きだからです。Okay? Okay. And I got one question. When you don't like sushi and you can say 私は寿司が嫌いです。私は寿司が嫌いです。And for the question example, 気をつけてください。雨だから。Be careful, it's raining. It works, yes. You got it already. Good job. Okay. Thank you very much for watching today's streaming too and learning together for na words and naze, why word. So next streaming will be on Friday. See you there. Bye.